Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Curitiba. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions at your own pace for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome, let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. At 6 hours, this can easily be done in a day. 1992 Opera House, noted for its wire-like steel tube construction and leafy, waterside setting. Move on to Largo da Ordem. History and handicraft. Next to PRAÇA TIRADENTES. Move on to Botanical Garden of Curitiba. Park established in 1991, with a glass house, a formal, French-style garden and a sensation garden. And then Oscar Niemeyer Museum. Architecture, art and design displayed in 12 rooms in a futuristic museum with an eye-shaped tower. The most popular travel time in Curitiba is January. The temperature ranges from 26 to 18 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. The Grape Festival is in February. The Theater Festival is in March to April. Iman Matsuri Festival is in June. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and for more help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.